Hi there, my name's Nicholas and I'm with Resco's Knowledge Team. Today, I'd like to welcome you to something new, something we're hoping is going to make your life using our tools and products incrementally better over time. This is the first in a series of short tutorial videos designed to answer your questions, solve common issues, and address any number of curiosities related to Resco technology. Ever run into this error while setting up your rules? Invalid operation exception, entity not loaded. Frustrating, right? Variable 1. All right, let's remember that for later. You're not alone. This error usually pops up when a variable hasn't been initialized properly before use. To avoid this, let's dive into a quick fix using the ContainsData operator on that variable that we saw in the logs. We're going to walk through a simple method that prevents these errors from derailing your workflow. Step 1. Identify the variable causing the issue. In our case, it's var1, our entity reference. Side note, in the real world, for goodness sake, use variable names that are more sensible than this. Descriptive variable names are essential. Step 2. Implement the ContainsData operator. Insert this conditional check before your rule actions. By adding this check, you ensure the rule only proceeds if the variable contains data. No more empty or unassigned variables causing chaos. Save the rule, save the form, publish as usual. Resync the app. Simple, right? But we probably shouldn't stop there. Finally, test your rule thoroughly. Run it through various scenarios to make sure it's bulletproof. The takeaway tip is this. Use the ContainsData operator when you are dealing with variables. Period. Before loading data into a variable, check if the source actually contains data. Then, after loading, verify that your variable holds what you were expecting it to. This is a small precaution, but it'll save you big headaches. Keep your workflows smooth and error-free. Remember, a bit of prevention goes a long way. For more on this, check out our Wiki, links below in the description, and stay tuned for more quick tips on keeping your rules reliable. If there's something that you'd like to see in these videos, please feel free to contact us, again using the details down below.